Alright, YouTubers. Today we're going to go over some of my Stihl products. Two of my saws here. This one's the ms362c, and this one's the small ms170. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these or just want to check out a review, stay tuned.
At me.
Alright guys, I don't know what's going on with my GoPro, but it stops recording for some reason. But we're gonna go over the ms362c first. It's got the electronic carburetor that adjusts for dirty air filter and whatnot. I mean, there's other reviews on this saw. That human guy on YouTube breaks this thing down, and he's a real good YouTuber, so check his channel out. I'll leave a link down in the description. This has a 25-inch bar with a new chain. Here's the dogs. Spin it around over here. The anti-vibe, the decompression lever. Overall, it's a good saw. I just flopped a couple big trees with it, and doesn't hesitate at all. Plenty of power for me. It's got, I think, 4.69 horsepower, almost 5 horsepower. So, yeah, it's a good saw. I'll fire it up for you here in a second, and then we'll do the small ms170, which is a great light saw for light duty. I've even cut pretty big trees with that. But yeah, we'll go over that one here in a second. So let me get this one fired up, and then I'll turn the GoPro back on. All right, this is a cold start. Haven't started it all night. Just to prove it, I'll put my hand on the muffler. Nothing. So this, you push the throttle in, and locks the choke down when you let off. Make sure you guys can see that. All right. See how many pulls it takes. I got the decompression out because I really don't need it, but it's there, but I'm just gonna leave it out.
Let her warm up. Like I said, that was a cold start.
It's a fairly new saw to me. I didn't get this brand new. I actually bought this at a pawn shop for $4.50 out the door with the 25-inch bar. So I think I got a pretty good deal there. The ms170 I bought brand new from Duke Cut. It was like, I want to say $179, and it's got a brand new chain. But I'll do the same with that one. I'm gonna cut this video off, and then we'll get to reviewing that one. Please like and subscribe, and if you want to see anything else, let me know. I have a crap ton of tools. Milwaukee. I'm a big DeWalt guy. I have pretty much every DeWalt tool. I got the Stihl BR200 backpack blower. So if you guys want to see a review on that, let me know. So thanks for watching. Alright guys, back here. This is the ms362c. This is just for light duty. Has a 16-inch bar on it, which also I just put a brand new chain on it. Like I said in the previous video, I've cut rather bigger logs with this thing, no problem at all. I mean, it'll bog down here and there, but if you know what you're doing, it'll get the job done. And for the price point, you can't beat it. It's like 179 bucks out from Cut. So I mix a little heavier in this thing just because, you know, it's just what I do. But yeah, let me fire it up for you guys and you could hear it run. Get you guys your tripod. This is a cold start too. Here's the muffler. Put my hand on it. Hasn't been ran. This one, same kind of choke. You pull in the throttle, push it all the way down to choke, and then just pull it. Then I like to come all the way up the run, because if you leave it down there at like half choke, it revs it up real high, and I don't like that, so I just leave it on run so it can idle. Yeah, that one I mix heavy. It likes to warm up. But, yeah, like I said, if you guys have any questions on either one before you buy, let me know. I did forget to mention on the 362 it has adjustable oiler on the bottom for the bar. This one does not. The other one has a screw right here. You can adjust the oiler. This one doesn't, but I've never had an issue with how much oil I needed. So if this saw doesn't weigh nothing, I'm not sure the specs, but I mean, it doesn't weigh nothing. It probably not even 5 pounds. It's light. But yeah, please consider subscribing if you guys want to see more videos like this. You know, I get into a bunch of stuff. That's why I try to keep my YouTube open for a bunch of different ideas instead of just doing one thing, the same thing like a lot of YouTubers do. But I do a lot, so I try to reach out to everybody's interest. So if you like it, please hit that like button, put a comment down below. I'll answer any questions, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.